Hi everyone, our project is on stock price prediction based on news, tweet and Twitter sentiment analysis. The aim of the project is to get the grasp of stock prices using social media tools like Twitter and news. These are the brands that we have considered. The first step was to perform data scraping. We used Twitter API to get the tweets, Nasdaq to get the news headlines, and Yahoo Finance to get all the stocks data. We used a 2B model to perform Twitter data scraping, Beautiful Soup to perform news headline scraping, and use Yahoo Finance to get the stocks data. These are the candlesticks for all the brands that shows the price movement.
Then we perform data cleaning on the tweets and news data. These are the steps which we performed for data cleaning. Next, we performed sentiment analysis, in which we created 2 text files for positive and negative words and then generated sentiment score as per those files. The same we did for news as well. For data analysis, we created plots for the count of top 10 positive and negative words. Then we did feature engineering, in which we merged 3 data sets of news, tweets, as well as stocks data and created features which would better develop our model.
This graph shows the closing price for all of the 5 securities. It can be observed that Apple and Boeing faced a surprising shock. This may be because of the turmoil created by 737 MAX. This is depicted by the tweet sentiment of the stock. The biggest takeaway point would be the drop in volume for Apple, followed by a sudden rise in Tesla. From rolling average of stock prices, we can see Tesla significantly drops its average on account of the high trading volume. This is the daily return graph, which directly correlates with the sentiment. We made correlation matrix for all of the variables and then selected the attributes with the strongest relation for the model creation.
Then we perform our first machine learning model, that is the regression model. These are the R-square values. It can be seen that the Microsoft performance is really high, as well as whereas the Boeing's performance, as predicted, is really low.
We created a linear regression model in which we did a XY split with 70% train and 30% test, and these are the values for accuracies.
Below are the accuracies from the random forest model. Random forest model is more complicated model and has tried to learn the full data set.
In conclusion, we can say that Twitter and news do a pretty good job for prediction, but it should be understood by the user that the stock value price prediction is a really challenging part and it requires the understanding of thousands of parameters. In the end, we would like to thank Alex, Braxton, and our respectful TAs for guiding us throughout the